What is going on, everyone? It's Alex. So I've received a few questions and comments recently on doing bar end mirrors for ye old GT 650, so that's what we're going to cover today. First of all, I would like to apologize everyone for my absence for a few days. I know you guys are used to seeing me like every single morning at this point. Here recently, I was called away on an emergency errand for Uncle Sam for a few days, so I missed a few. Sorry. Right back to it. Let's go. So the most recent comment / question on the bar end mirrors came from Dr. Rakesh Kumar. Dr. Rakesh Kumar said, "Bro, just tell me how to install bar end mirrors. I tried but was unable to uninstall the end bars. It didn't come out." And Dr. Rakesh is exactly correct. The bar ends on the GT don't come out, so let's go take a look at it. I'll show you what I did and what I like to do on most cafe style bikes, so I'm going to run bar ends anyway. Okay, so we can all see that I'm running bar end mirrors, or a bar end mirror, because I actually only like to use the left side. Run two of them, but I only like the left side. I'm running a bar end mirror on my Royal Enfield Continental GT, right? So if you look at the way that they did this, you can actually put an Allen head in here and this will screw out, but this is all one solid piece. On a lot of motorcycles, if you're going to do a bar end, you will actually just unscrew your bar end weights. They will come out, and a like insert wedge style bar end will go in, and your bar end will actually come out from there. On the GT 650, they did not do that. You can actually unscrew this, but I'm really not sure why they did that, because this and the bar underneath it is all one solid piece. This is all made together. What they were nice enough to do was make these things with a space right here. So this is actually like a, if you can see it, this is actually a raised part, and the bar underneath it is thinner. And you actually have a space that they left you between this kind of weighted lip and your actual grips. And when you buy them brand new, this has got a black plastic insert piece right here that just kind of clips on. So they did that on purpose to make it so you could use a clamp-on style bar end with it. So all you have to do is pop that black plastic piece off, that spacer from here, and then use the clamp style, not insert, but the clamp style bar end of your choice. I really like CRG, and I really like the CRG lane splitter series. I've put these on basically every cafe build I've done, and a lot of not cafe stuff. Like I was running these on my FZ09 and similar bikes, my Z1000. So anything that I'm going to use bar ends on, I actually like this style a lot. I find it to have a really nice, like kind of smaller form factor to it. It folds up like that. That's why they call it a lane splitter. It folds up like that, which is kind of convenient. I mean, I almost never use it for that, but I just like the form factor of it. I find the build quality to be excellent for the price you pay for the CRGs. So not sponsored by CRG at all. I've bought every single CRG I've ever had with my own money, but I do like them a lot, so I am going to give them props, and I am going to give them a little bit of a shout out because I do really like the CRG lane splitters. But you can see, we'll move around it. See, the CRG lane splitter or any similar type clamp, it literally just, you pop the plastic piece off, a couple of Allen heads, and it literally just clamps right to the bar there, nice and secure. I never have problems with these, and that's how that was designed. So I hope that answers the question, but instead of using an insert, you don't take the bar end off. Like a lot of bikes will have a bar end weight that you actually have to unscrew, take out of there, and then your bar end goes in. These just use a clamp style. So if you're trying to do bar end mirrors on your GT 650 Royal Enfield, go for a clamp style, you'll have no problems. I know that might seem really simple, but a lot of people were asking me about that, so I just figured we would go ahead and show you real quick. I've replied to those comments with, hey, just use the clamp style, but video always helps so you can see what I'm talking about. So that's it, just an easy one today. Coming up soon, guys, I'm going to do a whole new series, like several videos on motorcycle financing, like kind of in depth. So I know that's a super exciting topic for a lot of you, but I'm getting an overwhelming number of people asking me questions right now about motorcycle financing. I've done a couple of videos on it in the past that have done really well, and a lot of people are asking me more questions on those videos. So I'm just going to do like a several video series coming up soon on motorcycle financing in depth. Like, should you even do it? If you're going to do it, how should you do it? What should you watch out for at the dealership to make sure you don't get screwed? So if you want to know those kind of inside things, it's coming up soon. Also, I have a big pile of you guys' questions already saved, like ready to go. So I'm back. We're going to get back to it. You're going to get a video every single morning from me that I possibly can, and we're going to bang out these questions and get the stuff done. So I love you guys. I love making videos for you. Sorry I was gone. I'm Alex. Peace.